Welcome to Just Toybox.
Welcome to Toybox. Today we are gonna open this up. Oi, what is that? You ripped it up already. Here's a Kinder Surprise Maxi Justice League. Ooh, let's open this up.
Ow! It's in my finger.
Okay.
It's so musty.
Yeah, we just need to undo this tape here. Right, let's open it up, Josh. Open. Pull this down. Yep. What? It's a giant chocolate egg. Giant chocolate egg.
What?
Should we open it up?
I think so.
You think so? Oops! The cup just fell off. Okay. Yep.
Okay.
Can you open that? Can you open that?
Yeah.
Wow. Show me. What? That egg is so big.
There you go.
Here, we put it on the plate. We have to crack that open. You're gonna take a bite. Did you crack it open? No? It's too big. Let me try. Let's see what I can do.
Can you help me?
Oh yeah, look, you got your teeth marks. Still didn't open. Alright. Oh, you got it. Let me see. Got a hole. Let's see if we can open it up.
Don't eat it.
Oh no, I'm gonna eat that.
Big one! The big one!
What's in there?
The toy.
A toy? Oh, it's so big. Okay, I'm gonna crack it open.
Come big.
Wow. Let's see what's in here. You ready to open it up? How's the chocolate?
Good.
Gonna open this up? Okay, I'm gonna squeeze it.
Here's the open.
And you open the other end. Wait.
Batman!
Oh, that is so cool! Batman! That is delicious. It's really yummy.
Mine.
Oh, yours? I'm gonna take some. Oh, I got it. Yum, 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 yum. Let's put Batman together. Batman. There's his body. Then just slide. Ta-da! Hi, that is so awesome. That's really cool. That was a really, really nice Kinder Surprise egg. Have you finished eating already? Oh my. Yum.
Oh my.
I want some too. Ooh. Yum, 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 yum. Oh yeah. This is a very good Kinder Surprise egg. The big one gave such an awesome toy.
Yeah. Mommy, look!
What we have here.
Oh.
Wait. Wow.
Look at Batman.
It is. And what's this one? Show you how to scan so you can play the Batman game on your phone.
What?
Whoa, some stickers.
What?
Yeah, look, stickers.
Mario?
Where?
Who is that guy?
Which one?
Joker.
That's a Joker. That's not Mario. Did you say Mario?
Thanks for watching this. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.